Welcome back to BrainTech YouTube channel. I'm so sure you have had a nice time browsing our videos in this channel, and we are so sure you have equally enjoyed and gotten educated with our videos while browsing. So in this juncture, I welcome you back to this channel. So in today's video, I'll be giving you another interesting tutorial to take home or learn something new today. But before I show you around on what to do on this topic, if you are yet to subscribe to BrainTech YouTube channel, please subscribe now, because when you subscribe, you will be updated each time we drop a new video. When you subscribe, remember to click on the notification icon under the subscription button. So each time we drop a video, a notification will flash in your phone, or will flash on your phone, and you will be updated, or you will be notified of this, or the new updates will show to you. So let's kickstart. To edit a video using your mobile phone, this is the app you need. Head to your Play Store to download this app. Search for YouCut. Search. This is the app. It has a yellowish logo with a scissors on it, notifying that you can cut a video or you can edit a video with the app. As you can see, I have this app already on this device. That is why it is showing on install. At the right hand it shows open. So since we have it, but before then, let me read out the full name of the app. The app is named YouCut Video Editor and Maker. So open it after installation. Just open it. It opens, but when you are opening it for the very first time, this is what you will get. This is the first interface that will come up. So when you are set to edit a video, this is what you need to do. Click on the plus sign at the bottom of the screen. Click on New Project. Select any video that you want to edit. Click on the video. Take your eye down to the bottom of the screen. You see a right tick sign. At the left is an X sign. So at the right is a yellow sign with a tick sign. Click on the tick sign. Click on the arrow key at the bottom of the screen. It shows that you have selected that video and you want to edit it. So click on the red icon. Be the yellow icon, you may put it, because I believe this is yellow. So you click on the yellow icon to take you to the next page. That is the editing page. Good. You are in the editing page. So to start editing this video, all you have to do is to click on the video itself at the middle of the screen. Click on the video. After that, you click on the bottom line. This is the bottom line I mean. So you click on this bottom line. That is the main video. After highlighting it, as you can see, this is the options that you will be able to use in editing this video. The first one is stream. If you want to stream some part out to make a short video, if you want to split the content, the third one is speed. If you want to increase the speed of the video to run faster, then the next one is volume. If you want to mute the volume from the video, there are some videos that you want to mute a volume from, so you can use this option. As you can see, the volume of this video is muted to 0. So if you click the right hand dot, the tick sign at the right hand part of this screen, automatically there will be no volume on this video. But since we don't want to do that, let me take you back to the main page. Animation. The next one is animation. After volume, you can add an effect on this screen on the video, like a logo on this video. Then there's another part here, another option here, crop. If you want to cut out some parts, crop out a little part on the screen, you can use the crop. If you want to copy some parts and then join in other parts, that is the copy. Then opacity is another beautiful option you can use to beautify the video. Replace, there are some scene you can replace. Then the voice changer, you can change the voice from male to female, from female to male. Rotate, you can rotate the screen to any sizes. You can even take it for the normal part to face up. So freeze, you can freeze some places to remain stagnant. Reverse some places, this will help the video to be elongated. So there are other options in this video, but each time you apply for a certain effect, all you have to do is to drag this video, drag it to the end. When you drag it to the end, the whole effects will enter the whole video. All you have to do is to drag it till the end so that the effects can enter the whole video. Without dragging it to the end of the video, whatsoever effects you have applied will just be at the beginning or at a little point without getting to the main end of the video. You can do this to any video you wish to design. Then after everything, check on top of this your screen to click on save. Remember, this app has a free version. It equally have a pro plan. This free version allows you to do so many things, but the pro version will give you an updated features. So if you have the funds, you can subscribe for the premium plan of this app in order to help you to edit a bigger project. So don't forget what I showed you earlier. There is speed, there is volume, there is animation, there is split, there is stream. For those who want to use a short clip for a particular content, they can use the trim or the split to take out some parts from this video, so it can help them to do whatsoever they wish. There is voice changer here. There's animation in case you want to add any logo on the screen. There's equally a voice recorder. You can as well record a voiceover on this video. This is it. Record at the middle of the screen, at on the top of the play button. So if you click on record, you can record a voiceover on this video, and then you can use here, use the volume. There's a volume, there's a volume option here to mute the original volume of this video, and then you use use the record option to record a voiceover for the video. Automatically there will be a new uh, ratings for the video, because that will automatically replace the original audio of the project. So we have other options here that you can check. There's Q&A, question and answer. If you click it, there are some questions you need to ask about the app, and that particular section will cover the questions you're supposed to ask, and automatically you will get answers from the Q&A sections. This is it at the at the right hand side of the screen. That is the last option with a question mark. So you can use that options to get a question and answer about this app. Then after trim in this section, remember how you can get these options display or come up is by clicking the down part of this video. This is where you can add or remove effects. Click on it. So when you click on it, options will come out for you to add to the video that you are editing. So if you can check, the first is stream, the second is music. When you click on music, you'll be able to add any music to the video, but do well to add a copyright-free music to your videos in order to avoid being marked a copyright infringement on social media platforms, especially on Facebook and YouTube. Most times Twitter do gives a copyright strikes to content creators, so do well to use a free music. You can go to Facebook to download free music, to download copyright free musics. Equally, you can download such on YouTube. There are copyright free music on YouTube and Facebook you can download. Don't make sure you don't mix the two music, or you don't interchange these musics on this platform. Use the one for Facebook on Facebook, use the one on YouTube for YouTube. After everything, check top of the screen, the right hand side of the screen, to click on the save. After then, there will be a next page. The next page will show you different uh, quality and resolution. Choose the best for your project and click on save. After saving, you go to your gallery, you see the original video and the edited video. You can now use it for any project or any upload you wish to do. Thank you for staying with me while this video lasted. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Like this video, share it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Then there are other tools which you can download and use for this app while editing your video. Such app is Voice Recorder. You can go to your store, search for Voice Recorder, check for the best with good ratings, check for the most downloaded, then download, save it to your phone. After you record a voice note for a particular session of your video, you come to the app as already shown you how to highlight your videos before editing. After trim, click on music, go to uploads, or go to your phone files, search for the recorded voice notes, upload it, place it at the right place inside your video, and after everything you click on save. Then you can use the video. If you have any question, do well to ask. Use your effects properly, don't mix it. You can as well drop a comment in case you don't understand anything, and we are here to help you out. We appreciate your time you used while this video lasted. Thank you for staying with us. Stay put to our next video.